Alright guys, welcome back to Fixing It. I just got a frontless spoiler for my Q50. And it comes in 3 pieces. And it's supposed to be painted. See what it looks like. Not bad. I have gotten a real spoiler from this company and it was pretty decent. Does it come with anything? Nope. Nothing else in the box. So that's the problem with this company. The stuff is cheap. I only pay $85 for this, but it doesn't come with any kind of instructions or hardware, which is good if you want to save some money and you're handy like me. I can figure this stuff out. But if you are not so handy, then you're better off paying the extra money and getting instructions and everything else you need to do this. So yeah, so you just gotta grab a couple of little screws and put them in there. This stuff just goes like that. It's being held by 2 screws over here, which I gotta find. That's it. Hey guys, I'm back over here with my front lip splitter or spoiler, whatever you want to call it. Comes in 3 pieces, and I did find the hardware was taped to one of the plastic. So you got 4 little ones. The rest are long. So the 4 little ones go right here too. You can see this has like tabs on the one side. You just fit the tabs right over it. And then you just screw it together. That's it. Let me get a screwdriver. Alright. You have your fully assembled lip. So what you're going to need to do is get some 2-way tape. Put 2-way tape all around this lip. Over here, this, where it's going to make contact. Right here. And right on top over here. Alright, all this. So let's do that. Before you apply the tape, you want to rub this down with alcohol. Get rid of any wax and dirt that's on there. All the spots. Do all the spots that are going to get the tape on. Okay guys, put the 3M tape on all the spots that are going to be touching. Okay. Alright guys, you want to clean the bottom of this lip also very well. Use some alcohol. Make sure there's no dirt. You have to go over it a few times. Once that's clean, we're gonna try to mount this thing. All right, guys. So I'm doing this by myself. So I prepped this up with some milk crates, some wood, just to see, line it up to where I want it. So this is a lot easier if you have a friend helping you out. But since I don't, we improvise. So put it up where you want it. Now it's time to tape it up. All right, guys. So it is mounted, well, just with the tape, but it looks pretty good. So now we're just gonna screw it in. Alright, guys, it's a finished product. It's a pretty simple thing to put on. So listen, guys, if you did this on ramps like I did, make sure you put some extra blocks or something, because now this coming down the ramp, you're gonna hit definitely. So I just put some extra blocks there just to lift up the front end when it comes down. But you're gonna have to do this every time you use the ramps with this lip, because even stock it was hitting. So, but definitely looks more aggressive. So I hope this helped you out. Like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. See ya.